good morning, friends. How are you there? How are you doing? I hope you're all doing fine. So I'm having an inspection of my wire drum and the wire rope. Before starting the job, we should do this inspection of the wire rope. This is the cable that will hold the load, so this is very significant. Before starting the work, we should do inspection for possible damage. Okay guys, thank you very much.